Welcome back to Studio Crazy. I am KrazyFit. Yes, as you can see, my workout continues. I'm working out on camera, off the camera. That's just what I do. But you have made it to day 12. This is the double rounded dead bug. Kind of progressing from the dead bug we did in week 1 and then a double dead bug in week 2. See the modifications over in the corner. However, I'm still going to demonstrate for you the modification from week 1 and week 2. 40 seconds on, 20 seconds of rest. Let's start with being on the floor, and the initial dead bug was knees above hips, arms above shoulders. Simply one arm and the opposite foot goes out, opposite leg goes out, and return, and then do the same. Whether your shoulders on the mat or shoulders are off the mat, that is totally up to you. Pick your level. Shoulders up means harder. All right, so that's the single dead bug. Now for the double dead bug. Same thing, except both arms, both feet. Pushing out. You notice how much the core, you see how the core tightens as you push out. You can't help it. You want to push the back into the floor. And let me do one more for you. And then that's that. So now the double rounded dead bug, we're going to, the move is to enter into an iron cross movement. Start with an iron cross movement and then round it out to a dead bug. So it looks like this. You're going to extend your feet, both feet. Arms go out into like a chest stretch. Wind the arms above your head and then bring it up. Again, arms wide, feet down. Hold the feet in place. Wind the arms above the head. Bring both back up. Same time. One last time. Arms wide. Rotate them up. And push up. That's a double rounded dead bug. Pay attention to the modifications at the top. If you need to go back, stick with it for as long as you can. Here we go. 2 and 1. Out. Bring it up above. And return. That was my mistake. We extend it at the same time. Hold it above your head and bring it back up. Hold it above head and bring it back up. Whew. Give me one more. And back up. All right. Now, feel free to keep your head on the floor or lift your shoulders. Head on the floor is easier. Lifting your shoulders makes it a little bit tougher. We got less than 10. Just hang in there. I believe you can do this. Here we go. Let's go. Out. Rotate. And meet in the middle. Take it out. Rotate. Meet in the middle. I don't know about you. My core is shaking. When I get down, fully stretched, wind those arms up, my core is like, dude, what are you doing? I am working out. That's what I'm doing. And I'm making you stronger. That's what I'm doing. Hold here. And that's number 2. Again, just some mechanics to press your lower back into the floor. And I want you to stretch your fingers as high as possible to the ceiling. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. I'm gonna keep my shoulders up. Whew. Take your time. Your pace is your pace. This is not an exercise to be rushed. There's multiple movements going on. And if you're a beginner, you don't want to rush it. If you're trying to make your core stronger, still, you got to make sure you're doing it correctly. One more. 3 sets complete. I'm not worried about how many reps you do. I'm worried about the progression. If you can only do 1 or 2 of these and then have to go to the modification, then do that. Set number 4, let's go. Rotate, bring it up. And you still have the option to tap your heels on the floor and then bring it up. What I don't want is your arms or your elbows touching the floor. I want you to keep all that up. You're welcome to tap your heels on the floor if necessary, if needed. Last one, and bring it out. Whew. We got one more round. Or, yes, one more set, round, whatever you want to call it. Enjoy this. So let's get in position. Knees above hips and fingers, and let's go. See, sometimes as I'm trying to cue and explain, I'm not forgetting to add certain pieces to it. We're almost there. Call this again the double rounded Deadbug. One more. Now this time, I want you to hold it out. If you can't, just drop one foot to the floor and hold it. All right, you got 10 seconds. You want more of a challenge? Bring those feet down. 3, 2, and 1. Whew. Whew. Day 12. Day number 12. You are headed into the middle of the week, and we only have 3 exercises left total. Stay with me. Hang in there. This is for you. Make it count. I see you tomorrow.